Just goes at me like, महंगे शौक नहीं डालो मुझे. Get ready with me for a night out with my friends. I've been loving this magic serum by Charlotte Tilbury. Skin looks so good. Contact lenses are from April Eye. Moisturizer we're doing Caudalie. Obsessed with this brush and it fills out your pores, but this brush is perfect. They're both by e.l.f. Fell in love with this foundation CC cream all over again. See the coverage concealer, and I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit. I'm gonna let it marinate. I just made Isha use this and then she just goes at me like, महंगे शौक नहीं डालो मुझे. The best powder is this one by MAC. Honestly, my under eyes are flawless. Flawless, my under eyes look right now. One of my favorite highlighters, and I'm Opal by Becca. Do you see this? Becca does not exist anymore and we want this back. The Elite Mascara combination. First I go in with this one. It's the L'Oreal Primer. Then it's the Rare Beauty. And then the It Cosmetics Superhero. You guys see my lashes? It's all because of these three mascaras. The liner I'm using is Soft Spoken by NYX. Lip gloss is also by NYX in the shade Salty Cocoa. MAC Fix Plus because we want this makeup lasting all night. This is the complete makeup that without any filter.